tell us the whole story. Why are you here? And if you are comfortable in English, you can also speak in English.
I can't understand Hindi. First of all, namaste. Good morning, everyone. My name is Reshma John. I am coming from. My name is Reshma John. I am coming from Kerala. So I can't understand Hindi. If you can talk with me English means that's good for me. That's so helpful for me. And I am coming here about one case. One Mr. Ashish Singh Panwar. He is coming from Jagogi Kilwanoki. He is also Uttarakhand Swadeshi. And me and Ashish, 2 years before, we are working in Armenia. We are first meeting from there. We are living together relationship there. And after that, first I am coming from Kerala, and after that he is coming back from there. And here also we are meeting. When he is coming back, that time I am meeting in Delhi. And that time he don't have any problem with me. But after that, I know he is committed with another girl. July 4. When I know that, after that I coming July 4 in Dehradun Airport. In Dehradun Airport, he is picked up from me there, and we are going together in Rishikesh. So many places. I don't know which places, that exact place name I can't say because I don't know. First time I am here. I think first going Rishikesh, then going Haridwar, then going ISBT. Somewhere here we are going, and we are taking somewhere room. And also physical relationship also there. And in Rishikesh also we are fighting. He is beating. And Delhi also we are taking room. There also we are fighting, and there also I reporting complaint in Delhi police station also. So many police station, Rishikesh police station and Haridwar police station, and last I am going DM office, and DM telling go SSP office, and I am going SSP office also. They are telling last incident is Roorkee station. That's why you go to Roorkee station. Now I am so tired to go in somewhere because I don't know Hindi. I can't manage here local language, and I don't know how to go Haridwar somewhere. I am alone here. Nobody is helping me. So that's why I choosing now media.
When you guys,
I want to justice.
when you guys were in Armenia, what you do?
We are working hotel field. He is a chef. I am a kitchen helper. We are working together there in one hotel, Hotel Asador in Armenia.
Is he married?
Huh?
Is he married?
No, he is not married, but he is committed with another girl. He is got engaged with another girl.
Where is he now?
I don't know where he is now. Last July 20th, from Roorkee, Hotel Arati, he run away from me. Not missing. If missing means he can, I think police can find him. He is not a child. He is not a what? He have mind. He is a elder. He is run away from me. It's clearly no. It's a cheating. And he have my cash also more than 5 lakh.
So he's hiding from you.
Yeah, about that engagement, he is hiding from me. I know about that his Instagram account. Suddenly one day he is blocking me, and suddenly he is blocking from Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. Then I know he got engaged with someone. That's why I coming from Kerala to Dehradun. And that time also he is telling, come here, we will meet, and we want to go somewhere and fresh mind. Then we will talk about future.
Has police filed case here?
No, they are not taking any action. I don't know why they are taking any action. First, they are telling file missing case, but it's not a missing. But that time also I in Roorkee police station, July 20th, I filing missing case, but they are not taking action. After 1 week I go in Roorkee station. Then I telling I want to file FIR. It's a cheating case. They are telling it's a cheating case means we can take any action from here. He is coming from Jagogi Kilwanoki. That's why you go Chemba police station. Then I am going Chemba police station. They are telling that last incident is Roorkee station. That's why you go Roorkee. Every police telling go there, go there, go there. I going everywhere. Rishikesh police station, Delhi police station, and Dehradun SSP office, and also DGP office. I here have one copy for everything copy for that. This is the DGP copy, and this one is the SSP and Haridwar code. Roorkee station, they are telling go Chemba police station. He is from there. He is from there. His residence is there means you go there.
So basically, he cheated on you.
Yeah.
What do you want to do right after all this?
First I want to find him where he is, and I want to know what his decision. He is taking another decision means I want to go proceed this FIR.
Are you in touch with me? What the law is?
No, after 20th he not using that old number.
When did you last talk?
That 20th, July 20th.
July 20th.
Mm-hmm.
He also
And
harassed you. You are saying about that he harassed you.
sorry, I can understand.
He harassed you and
Yeah, July 4th to he is like blackmailing, like harassing me.
basically you are saying false promise of marriage to you.
Yeah, definitely. And also in that relationship, 2 times he pressuring me for abortion.
What?
He is pressuring me for abortion. 2 times I am carrying. One time in Armenia when I come back, in Armenia that time also I am pregnant. And one time abortion in Armenia, one time in here, India.
Have you some papers with you to prove your
Yeah, I have all. Yes.
So Reshma, what do you want with
And,
the officials?
And I don't want to hide anything. Yesterday he is calling me. That old number he is telling I will come tomorrow. Chemba police station. I say if you want come means come. I will also come there. I will talking with you directly. We will talk in front of police. He say come tomorrow, and his sister and brother they are telling 2 days after he is coming. I can't believe like that. Tomorrow. I can't wait like that, and I can't believe him now easily.
You have
And
said
he's calling only WhatsApp number. He's not giving his new number.
you
So I can't believe him easily now.
has he taken any money from you?
Yeah, he's taken money 5 lakhs.
You said his family also involved in it.
Yeah, I have doubt for that because these one month they are he is not contacting with me. When I arrange this press meet, after that he know about this press meet means how can he know about this press meet? I think his family informed him.